there, it's Claire from Couture, and today I'm going to show you how to knit a cord like this. So let me show you how to make this. So we've casted on 3 and I've just knitted a few rows, and it's just a 1 row repeat pattern. So all you do is just knit. Just knit 3 stitches. And then we just slip those stitches back, 1, 2 and 3, and then we just knit again and just like this, and we just slip the stitches back. It really is as easy as that. But the thing is, it does give you a beautiful cord for you to use on your products. So just a quick reminder, we've casted on 3 and then we just knit the 3 and then we just slip those stitches back onto your other needle. And we would just knit again. And if I just give you a close-up of that, how good is that? So that's the front, but then if you look round to the back, it just looks like a beautiful knitted cord. So I hope that's helpful, and if you like the video, please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing you more videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.